The DJI Osmo Action 6 is finally here, and trust me, this tiny powerhouse is about to change everything you thought you knew about action cameras. Imagine a device that captures every heartbeat of your adventure with jaw-dropping clarity, next-level stabilization, and a design that feels like it's been engineered for pure adrenaline. DJI has been teasing us for months, but now that the leaks and official specs are surfacing, it's clear the Osmo Action 6 isn't just another iteration. It's a declaration of dominance in a world ruled by GoPro. The very first thing you'll notice when you hold it is that rugged yet refined body. DJI has taken all the lessons from the Action 4 and pushed them to perfection. The square design is sleeker, the buttons are more tactile, and the dual-screen layout, both front and back, now shines brighter, even under the harshest sunlight. This camera screams premium from every angle. But design is only half the story. What's hiding inside this tiny shell is what makes creators and adventure junkies lose their minds. DJI has packed the Action 6 with a brand new image sensor that's reportedly larger than its predecessor, offering incredible low-light performance and richer color depth. That means sunrise hikes, night city rides, or deep underwater dives now look cinematic instead of grainy. Every frame feels alive, with stunning detail and color accuracy that rivals professional cameras many times its size. And speaking of cinematic, let's talk about video power. The DJI Osmo Action 6 can shoot up to 5.7K resolution at blistering frame rates, delivering footage so sharp you could pause any frame and use it as a photo. It supports HDR video, 10-bit color depth, and a dynamic range that just makes everything pop, whether you're capturing snowy mountain peaks or the glowing lights of a city skyline. The colors don't just look real, they look emotional. DJI's new image processing engine, paired with its upgraded Rocksteady 5.0 stabilization, is where the real magic happens. Even when you're running, jumping, skiing, or mountain biking, your footage stays as smooth as if it were shot on a gimbal. No shakes, no jitters, just pure, buttery smooth motion. It feels like a cheat code for action content. And if you think that's impressive, wait till you hear about Horizon Steady. The Action 6 can now lock your horizon even if the camera fully rotates 360 degrees, meaning your shot stays perfectly level no matter how wild your movement gets. This is the kind of technology that turns casual vloggers into cinematic storytellers overnight. But DJI didn't stop there. They've completely reworked the thermal management system, so you can record longer without overheating, something that's been a pain point for almost every competitor. Now you can record in 4K for extended sessions without worrying about shutdowns or performance drops. The new magnetic quick-release mount makes it effortless to switch from handheld shots to helmet, car, or chest mounts in seconds. It's fast, secure, and designed for real-world use, not for fumbling around when the perfect shot is passing by. And yes, it's still waterproof, now rated for deeper dives, up to 18 meters without needing a case, and even more with DJI's dedicated dive housing. This makes it an absolute beast for surfers, divers, and underwater content creators. The microphones have also received a major overhaul, delivering crisp, balanced audio that cuts through wind and background noise. So whether you're vlogging on a busy street or flying down a mountain trail, your voice stays clear. DJI's advanced noise reduction algorithms work hand in hand with physical mic placement to deliver sound that feels natural and cinematic. Battery life has always been a critical factor, and the Action 6 delivers big. DJI's new extreme battery technology lets you shoot for up to 2.5 hours continuously in standard modes, and the best part? It charges insanely fast, from 0 to 80% in under 20 minutes. You can literally power up while you're gearing up. And if you're shooting in cold weather, the battery maintains full performance even below freezing temperatures, so your adventures in snow or at high altitudes won't be cut short. Connectivity has also been boosted, now featuring faster Wi-Fi transfers, improved Bluetooth control, and seamless integration with the DJI Mimo app. You can edit, color grade, and share your clips straight from your phone in seconds. Plus, the Osmo Action 6 is rumored to support direct live streaming, letting creators go live on YouTube or Twitch in crystal clear quality without extra gear. It's like having a studio in your pocket. And for those who love slow motion shots, DJI's given us something special. Super slow 240 FPS recording at 1080p, perfect for capturing every droplet of water, every twist, every jump in stunning cinematic detail. Combine that with hyperlapse and time-lapse modes, and you've got a storytelling toolkit that's practically limitless. One of the most exciting leaks is the introduction of a variable aperture lens, something unheard of in this category. It allows creators to adjust depth of field and exposure naturally, giving total creative control even in fast-changing environments. Imagine being able to shift from bright sunlight to a shaded forest without losing your shot. That's a game changer. And with a new AI-powered scene detection system, the Action 6 automatically adjusts settings for faces, landscapes, or motion to make every clip look professionally tuned. DJI also added an upgraded color profile that matches their high-end drones and gimbals, meaning your footage from the Action 6 can seamlessly integrate into a larger project. Perfect for filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators who want consistency across all their gear. The user interface is now more intuitive, faster, and designed for touch control, with gestures that make navigation easy even with gloves on. You can swipe through modes, adjust settings, and review footage with zero lag. DJI clearly designed this with creators in mind, not just adrenaline junkies. For accessories, the Action 6 is launching with a whole ecosystem, from ND filters and expansion modules to selfie sticks and mic adapters, giving you endless creative setups. And speaking of creativity, the new AI editing feature in the app automatically compiles your clips into short, shareable videos, complete with transitions, effects, and background music. You literally just shoot, sync, and share, no editing skills needed. DJI knows creators don't want to spend hours in post-production, and this feature alone might make the Action 6 the most creator-friendly camera of 2025. Now, let's talk about pricing. Rumors suggest the Osmo Action 6 will start around $399 to $449, which is insanely competitive given the specs. If that turns out to be true, GoPro has a serious problem on its hands. Because the Action 6 doesn't just match GoPro's latest flagship, it surpasses it in stabilization, battery life, and low-light performance. DJI's strategy is clear. Dominate the action camera market with innovation, reliability, and value. And if you're wondering about the release date, early reports indicate DJI will unveil it officially within the next few weeks, possibly alongside new accessories or a drone update. The hype is real, and for good reason. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just a camera. It's a movement towards smarter, more efficient, and more cinematic storytelling. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a travel vlogger, or someone who just loves capturing life's chaos in crisp detail, this device delivers the kind of performance that inspires creativity. Every feature feels intentional, every detail fine-tuned for perfection. It's compact, it's powerful, and it's built to take a beating while still giving you footage that could headline a documentary. DJI has proven again that they understand creators better than anyone else. This isn't just about specs, it's about giving you the freedom to shoot without limits. Picture yourself strapping it on a surfboard, mounting it to a car, or using it as a pocket-sized studio camera. Whatever your vision is, the Action 6 adapts to it effortlessly. And that's what makes it more than just another gadget. It's a creative partner. As we move into 2025, content is becoming more immersive, more personal, and more cinematic than ever before. People want experiences, not just footage. The DJI Osmo Action 6 captures those experiences in ways that pull your audience right into the story. It's not just about resolution or stabilization anymore. It's about emotional connection. Every click of the shutter, every second of video, every sound, it's designed to make viewers feel something. So whether you're jumping off cliffs, exploring cities, or documenting your everyday moments, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is ready to be your ultimate companion. It's the camera that refuses to quit, no matter how extreme your adventure gets. And as the buzz continues to grow, one thing is certain. This isn't just a small upgrade. It's the biggest leap in action camera innovation we've seen in years. DJI didn't just make a camera. They made a statement. The Action 6 proves that creativity has no limits when technology disappears behind pure experience. So get ready, because the future of action filmmaking just got a whole lot more exciting. The DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't coming to play. It's coming to win.